Hello, all, this is Naveen. So, a lot of you are asking some questions like that's mostly by beginners. So, which exam should I prepare for? Whether I should go for RBI grade B or for SEBI grade A. So, they are having a confusion on which one to select. And I have already told a lot of you regarding it, and still a lot of questions from those sections are coming on my Instagram. I thought of making it as a video. It is regarding which examination you should prepare or which one you should more focus on depends upon the suitability of your subject. If you look into the phase one of this examination, you can see it's almost similar, the topics and everything. But for RBI grade B, there is sectional cutoff and overall cutoff is there. But for SEBI in the phase one, there is no sectional cutoff or anything like that. Only some other overall cutoff and some criteria like that are there. Then regarding the suitability of the subjects, which one you should choose depends upon your subjects. Like if you are a person who is interested in finance management and all managerial topics and all things like that, then you can go for RBI grade B. But if you look into the phase 2, I'm talking about the phase 2, okay? So if you are a person who has studied commerce and good with accountancy topics and all, you can go for SEBI, because if you look into the phase 2 of these examinations, you can see that easily the topics are regarding. So SEBI deals with a more of a topic like commerce, accountancy, and all, costing, company rule, and all. So topics like those are mostly in the SEBI phase 2 examination. And regarding that is the only thing. And regarding the which type of work you would like to get, you can opt like that also. But for the preparation, to start the preparation, this is one of the best criteria I will mention. And regarding the classes I am providing, it's all up to. And every time you can see that the vacancies, not about vacancies, the classes that are filled at first are for the RBI assistant and grade B examinations. And my class I am speaking about, SEBI is usually low people taking admissions, but also the seats are also very vacant because I focus more on RBI examinations. So that's what I have to say. If you would like to know more about the classes, courses, and all, just make me know. So that's all. Thank you.